Bonneville. This is where it all started for Mickey Thompson. His parents took him there when he was only 8 years old. At that moment, he decided to set his course for life. He wanted to go fast and pursued that. In high school, it took off. He'd work on his cars after school in the high school's garage, and then he'd go racing, whether it was on the streets of California or on the dry lake beds nearby. With his education in high school, he got a job as a journalist for the LA Times. He then helped start Lions Dragway, which is also known as Long Beach Dragway. While there, he developed the starting tree, a tool that is used in drag racing today, and added this segmented quarter mile so you could figure out exactly when your car was getting traction and losing traction. While he was there, he developed the Slingshot Dragster, and much later on, he started the Funny Car Racing series. With his drag racing experience, he went to Bonneville. The first time he went to Bonneville, he went well over 200 miles per hour, which encouraged him to beat the land speed record, which was then set by the British. He built the Challenger and brought it to Bonneville. His first run out there, he ran with 4 Pontiac V8s fueled by nitromethane. He went under 400 miles an hour, but the next year he turned back with the same car and 4 superchargers attached to the 4 V8s. He came back and set the land speed record of 406 miles per hour. For then he went on to Indy cars, showing up with a car that weighed just over 800 pounds, while all the other cars weighed anywhere from 1,200 pounds to 2,200 pounds. He had 12-inch wide tires, while other racers were still running 4-inch wide, 32-inch diameter tires. He had ground effects and a spoiler to increase downforce, reduce air resistance, and gain traction. He blew away the competition and changed the history of IndyCar racing. He participated in the Baja 1000, which encouraged him to start stadium off-road racing. Organizations that helped him do that was SCORE, which he developed on his own. SCORE was made to promote off-road events such as the Baja 1000 or events that were similar to that. He created the Mickey Thompson Grand Prix to bring a piece of the Baja to the public in stadiums like the Rose Bowl or even the Superdome. He also created Mickey Thompson tires to create quality racing tires for those off-road cars, also for drag racing and land speed record vehicles. After those successes, he was shot in 1988. It took until 2007 for the law to catch the murderer, Michael Goodwin. It was an unfortunate end to a life that had changed so much of motorsport history.